Hey everyone, today we have 2 HVAC units at a restaurant. So here we have this looks like a train, although it could be an American Standard. Looks like where's the name plate and where's the data? It is from 2006 and it is a 72. What? 72. This is a 6-ton. It's a big 6-ton something. It's some type of train thing. What's that hurting me? Here's the compressor. Alliance scroll. I believe that's an Alliance scroll. If not, then please tell me in the comments. So this right here has an LG scroll on it. Let me go and get it to it. There we go. Oh wait, it's kind of focusing. Not gonna really focus, but this is an ICP from 2011. This looks way newer than that. Actually, it's from 2015. I think, yeah, 2015. It is a 3-ton. That's a product number. I think it can't be a 5-ton. Yeah, this looks like a 5-ton. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks like a 5-ton to me. Now over here we have a window unit. It has a Gree compressor in it. I don't know what the tonnage is on this. It's pretty old. Well, that is all for today. So yeah.